On the fourth sheet in week 2, we want to introduce the concept of averaging. So we just want to do a simple average in VBA. Now to do this you need a function called application.average. So this is quite easy to perform. If we go into VBA, so all we want to do is average all these S&P 500 returns we're given here and enter them in that average return cell. So to do that, we define a subroutine. We'll just call it average SP500. Again, you could call it whatever you wanted to. And then we'll define a variable, again called SP500. And it's going to be a number, so we can define it as an integer. And we just want it to get all the range SP500 so that SP500 average, which we can set now, so that's where we want to put the SP500, so it's that cell there, so we need to name that SP500 average. So we've named that cell. And we'll set that equal to application.average, so that's the command to average out a bunch of cells. And we want that to be the range, the average of the range SP500 data. And so that's what it'll do. It'll get, we've defined this variable SP500, and then what that will do is get the range SP500 average and apply application.average to it, the range SP500 data. So what's the last thing we have to do? Before we run the macro, we have to define what's SP500 data. So we'll grab all these and then we'll call them SP500 data. So now when we run the macro, it should average out all of those. And there you go, it's got an average of 0.1238.